Hey everybody, I'm Christina, and let's get into a very important voice AI system that's at least saving construction firms 15 hours per week. So everyone in construction knows this pain. I have a brother-in-law who's in construction. I have plenty of connections who are in the construction space, and everybody can relate to this pain. You're on site and you are juggling subcontractors, materials, safety checks, timelines, change orders, and then you're expected to stop what you're doing and document all this stuff: daily reports, safety logs, site photos, material deliveries, weather logs, incident summaries. It's literally a full-time job. This is literally an admin job to document everything that's happening with the project site. The admin aspect of it on top of your actual full-time job. And the worst part is these reports are often rushed, inaccurate, or not done at all, which leaves your projects exposed legally and operationally. But what if I told you there's a voice AI system that could do all this for you just by speaking into your phone, and you generate a complete timestamp reports in 60 seconds or less? And this is exactly what SiteVoice.ai does. And it's already saving construction firms 15 plus hours a week per project. And it's really powerful. We had over 1,000 beta users using this site currently, and it has made a significant difference. And let me show you how we're able to accomplish that using SiteVoice.ai. Let's do the reporting breakdown construction. Let's be honest, no one gets into construction to write reports, but documentation is a non-negotiable. You need to manage crews, need to stay on schedule, and it's absolutely needed for legal protection. But the current process is broken. And my business partner, Brett, he actually worked in the construction space over 20 plus years, and he walks into these law firms on a regular basis, and he sees a lot of folks still doing the manual process, writing down on paper. Reports are scribbled down at the end of the day, if they are done at all. Photos are taken, but it's never organized or timestamped according to Brett's observations. Safety violation goes undocumented until it's too late. It's costing firms millions in reworks, delays, and legal risk. And this is where SiteVoice comes in. What is SiteVoice.ai? SiteVoice.ai is a voice-first AI system designed specifically for boots on the ground builders. All you do is open up the app, start talking, snap a photo when needed for your report, and hit submit. Simple. Behind the scenes, right? So what's happening behind the scenes when you do these steps? Our AI transcribes your voice, tags relevant data, organizes your photos, and generates a complete decision-ready report in seconds. We trained the AI model essentially on the standard reporting procedures only for construction. So with the large language model and how my development team handled building this app and training the large language model, it only knows how to create and build construction reports only. This is more powerful than Fireflies and Otto combined because this tool was built with builders in mind. So I wouldn't recommend this SiteVoice.ai app to a lawyer or to a nurse or some day-to-day person. If you're some day-to-day person who needs a generic note taker, then go ahead and use Fireflies or Otto. But when it comes to SiteVoice.ai, we built this specifically for builders. The large language model is trained specifically on building construction reports. So that's the clear winner, the clear difference between a generic note taker than having a voice system like SiteVoice.ai, where it's transcribing your information, it's taking your photos, and it's generating these beautiful reports that you can use, and your admin team would be really, really happy. Now, let's talk about the time savings. Speaking of make your admin time more valuable, the time savings are real. Construction firms report saving 15 plus hours per week per site on admin work. That's 15 hours not spent behind a laptop after hours. 15 hours back for your site manager, project manager, or foreman. 15 hours that can be reallocated to building, supervising, or solving real problems that really need your attention. Multiply that by dozens of projects or team members, and you're looking at tens of thousands in saved labor costs alone. Think about that. Accuracy equals profit. With SiteVoice.ai, your reports don't just get done faster, they're better. Clean formatting, timestamp photos, location-aware metadata, consistency across your entire portfolio. The level of documentation isn't just admin, it's evidence. Clients love it, lawyers need it, and your project managers can finally stay on top of it. All of this leads to a better project outcomes, happier clients, and fewer he said, she said disputes when it comes to site projects. This tool was built for the real world. We have Battleground tested with this app with real construction firms throughout multiple regions in Canada, United States, and Australia. And this is built for the real world. We didn't build SiteVoice.ai in a boardroom. It was built with the actual GC, supers, and PMs on active job sites across 3 regions: Australia, Canada, and of course the United States. That's why you can use it completely hands-free. Voice commands will work even with background noises. Reports are customized to match your compliance needs. No BS features. It's just very simple and what you need to do for your job. This isn't just a fancy AI implementation for the sake of tech. This is AI that puts hours back into your day and makes your job easier right now. So I come all this to say, if you're in the construction and you're relying on handwritten logs, Excel spreadsheets, or generic apps that weren't made for you, you're wasting time, money, and putting your projects at risk. With SiteVoice.ai, you can capture what matters in the moment with your voice and let AI do the rest. 60-second reporting, hands-free operation, 15 plus hours saved weekly. No learning curve required. And it doesn't require a fancy install or anything like that. It's very simple. It's already transformed the way modern construction firms operate. And now is your move. So feel free to check it out. I actually posted a link to SiteVoice.ai below your free trials today. The date of this recording is around November 23rd, 2025. The free trial runs until December 2025. So if you're watching this video after December 2025, payment behind the system if you do decide to use it. But definitely give it a try, and you can definitely go to afrixai.com to see SiteVoice in action and learn how we're bringing AI to the job site with precision. Other than that, you guys enjoy the rest of your day. I'll talk to you guys later. See you in the next video.